One project that we were extremely pleased to get was the Hamilton County Courthouse. It's a historical landmark for that region, and we were extremely excited because it has so many different elements to the project. It incorporated single ply, modified, and metal roofing. Just on top of those challenges in itself, it's so many stories off the ground in the middle of downtown. It was not easily accessible, and the weather challenges that we faced. So it was a great project and an extremely difficult project all at the same time. We were extremely pleased with the way it turned out. We enjoyed working with the county, and it was our first chance actually getting in with the county, and hopefully with accomplishing such a great project that it opens up more doors for us in that area.